Hi all! This video will show you how you can use our matching suggestions feature in order to expand the monitored market scope and save time needed for product matching. Here at Price2Spy we have a global product database, a kind of knowledge base that is meant to help our clients and speed up the process of product matching and account setup. We are constantly expanding and improving it, so here is how you can benefit from this knowledge base. It's pretty simple. If Price2Spy detects that you monitor product A on site X, while we already know that the same product is also listed on sites Y and Z, we will offer you to monitor URLs from Y and Z, and that is what we call matching suggestions. How it works? As you can see in the left-hand corner, Price2Spy has detected two matching suggestions for this product from sites Key Music and Music Town. You can also see the suggested product price and availability. Now, if you check the right-hand side of the screen, you will see that there is an option to select matching suggestions you wish to approve or reject. The ones you approve will be added to your Price2Spy account and will get price checked together with other URLs belonging to this product. The ones you reject will not be offered as matching suggestions anymore. Since the point of this feature is saving your precious time, there is an option to approve matching suggestions in bulk. You can choose multiple URLs and decide either to approve or reject the suggestions. So if I check multiple matching suggestions, I will see all new URLs listed on my product list. Simple enough, isn't it? Now let's introduce some complexity. First of all, you can instruct Price2Spy not to offer matching suggestions from given sites at all. Further, you can click on your profile name, then go to Account Settings and click on Matching Suggestions. You will find much more settings at your disposal. Do you want to use matching suggestions? If this is set to no, you'll receive no matching suggestions further on. Approving matching suggestions can be done manually or automatically, once per day. Price2Spy will add all matching suggestions to your account. You won't need to do the approval. Further, you can narrow down which sites you'd like to be included in matching suggestions. You can choose to include any site, just sites belonging to specific competitor groups, which can be defined in the metadata section, just sites from particular countries. This way you can limit matching suggestions to just those countries which are of interest to you. And finally, you can exclude matching suggestions from certain sites entirely. If you go to My Product section in your Price2Spy account and choose any product, you can see the matching suggestions Price2Spy offers for this product. From there, if you click on Show Suggestions, you'll see the list of new suggestions on new sites. You can choose multiple URLs and decide to approve or reject the suggestions. So if I check multiple matching suggestions, choose Approve and then click on Apply, I will see new URLs listed on my product list. You will notice that the prices are not captured instantly, since the newly added URLs will be automatically price checked along with all other URLs for this particular product during the next scheduled round of price checks. If you wish to see the prices immediately, just click on Measure It Now, and the prices will be updated for all URLs in this product. You can also reject matching suggestions by selecting the Reject option from the drop-down menu and choosing the URLs you don't want to start monitoring. These URLs will no longer show up as matching suggestions. There is also an option to exclude a website from the matching suggestions entirely. You can simply click on this icon if you notice a URL from a website you do not wish to monitor. Once you exclude a website, it will be shown in the list of excluded websites in the matching suggestions settings. In case you change your mind and wish to start receiving matching suggestions from an excluded site, just remove it from this list and click Save. Managing all matching suggestions in one go. Finding the matching suggestions in your account can be very time-consuming if you're doing it one product at a time. You can manage all matching suggestions in your account by clicking on your profile name and then Matching Suggestions. On this screen, you will be able to see all current matching suggestions offered for all products in your account. From here, you will have an option to select multiple suggestions and approve or reject them in bulk, so you won't need to enter each product individually. Further, on this screen you can select a subset of products using brands, category, or supplier filters. Hopefully you will find matching suggestions useful. It's meant to save you matching effort, both in terms of time and money, and make you aware of some other competitor sites that you may not have been aware of. In case you have any questions or need any help regarding the matching suggestions, please let us know at support@price2spy.com.